Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Canda Delite. My name is Rajat.
And I'm Shweta.
Hope you guys have liked our previous videos. So right now we are here with a new informative video for you for the IELTS exam.
And yes, in this video we are going to share with you some magical words which are going to help you out in your writing as well as your speaking exam.
So stay tuned.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Canda Delite. For more interesting videos, just stay tuned and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Okay, well guys, so our first word is humongous. The word humongous, it means extremely large or huge, and in Hindi you can say it's बहुत बड़ा. Okay, so you can use these words in your both writing as well as speaking section. Okay, now in writing, if you get a question on like global warming, right, so there you can use this word in a sentence like, it is a humongous task to control the use of plastics. As well as in speaking, if you get a question like your opinion or a difference between a countryside or an urban area, there you can use it as an adjective to the buildings, like there are humongous buildings in urban area.
Like there are extremely large buildings in urban areas, right? So कुछ भी हो बहुत बड़े के लिए you have to use the word humongous. Word ही अपने में बहुत बड़ा है, right? So you have to use the word in such a sense that it shows that something is very large. Okay? So guys, yes. So the next word, the next magical word is plethora. So the meaning of plethora is excess or something which is in abundance, right? So if I say that in writing you can use this particular word in many forms, right? So suppose there is a topic on global warming, okay? So you can use the word, there are like plethora of options available to you in which you can reduce the level of pollution, okay? For example, first by planting more trees, second by helping the government in using the pooling car system, right? So there are plethora of options, so on and so forth. We can have many more options like this, okay?
Yes, they can use it as a synonym for variety.
Correct. Variety, abundance, or there are plethora of options available. So coming to the speaking part, if the examiner asks you what are your hobbies, right? So you can say I have plethora of hobbies, but the one that I like the most is reading books.
Yes,
right?
And this has such a emphasis because this is the question that is asked you in the first section of speaking.
Correct. This particular word, it will give more emphasis. It will give a good impression to the examiner that yes, you have clearly imbibe in yourself the context of vocabulary.
Exactly. And the lexical resource.
And the lexical resources, and you have understood the questions in a better way, right? Yes. So it will give a good impression if you use these kind of words in the first section itself, right? So yes. So now coming to the third word.
Well, the next word which we are going to share with you is exquisite. Now the word exquisite, it has different meanings, right? Like beautiful, graceful, or elegant. You can use this word in both writing and speaking section, okay, and it has a good impact on the examiner. In writing section, you can use it when sometimes in letter writing, they ask you to write a letter to your landlord about the apartment you are living in.
Correct.
Okay, and you have to share your good experience as well as bad experience in it. So in the good experience, you can write it down like the interior of the apartment is exquisite, okay? And in speaking section, if you have been asked about the apartment in which you live, you can elaborate your apartment by saying that there is an exquisite painting in my living room, or there is an exquisite garden in front of my apartment.
Correct. So for example, I'm wearing an exquisite jacket, right?
Yeah.
She's wearing an exquisite cardigan.
Yeah.
So it can be used in many forms. So just make sure you use the right word at the right point of time, okay?
In place of beautiful, you can use exquisite.
Yeah. So in case of very beautiful, just try to eliminate that very element from the words, right? Very beautiful doesn't make any sense, right? So in place of very beautiful, you can use the word exquisite. Okay? Okay guys, coming to the fourth word. The fourth word is scorching. The meaning of scorching is very hot. Not in terms of double meaning, but yes, it's very hot or extremely red hot.
Red hot.
Like a burning sun, right?
Yes.
So if I give you an example of your writing section, you can say that suppose there's a topic of global warming. Again, I'm taking a global warming example because we can use many words in that. Okay, so suppose in writing section you can use this particular word as, due to the increasing level of global warming, our forests are getting scorched by the sun. So guys, coming to the speaking section, suppose an invigilator asks you that describe me about a market that you have visited recently, right? So you can use this particular word like recently. I have visited to a market under the scorching sun of June to purchase my household items.
Yes.
Right? So in this way you can use this word in writing as well as the speaking section.
Yeah.
Okay?
Well, the last but not the least, the most extraordinary word that we are going to share with you is burgeoning. What's the meaning of burgeoning? Burgeoning means expanding rapidly or to flourish.
Correct. So guys, this word can be used majorly in context of technology.
Yeah. In writing section, if you get an essay on advantages and disadvantages of technology, the impact of technology on the children,
correct,
you can write that with the burgeoning technology, children are getting more inclined towards the gadgets, right? And same in the speaking section, if you get to share your opinion about the future development of your country,
correct,
you can use this word as, with the burgeoning technology, the artificial intelligence can play a vital role in development of our country.
Cool.
Right. So if wherever you find a word technology, you can add this word to it, and surely this is going to increase your band score.
Definitely. So just make sure you use the word in the beginning of your sentence, right?
Yes.
Wherever you feel there is a technology word coming to particular area, so just make sure you use with the burgeoning technology.
Yes.
And start your answers after that. Okay guys?
Yeah.
So yes, this is all from us in this today video. So for the upcoming videos, just make sure you like our channel, subscribe to our channel, and just press the bell icon, because there are many more videos in the pipeline, guys, for you. Okay?
And yes, for any issue, for any query, you can ask to us in the comment section, right?
So stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care, guys.
Bye.